Okay, so we're going to look at a quick demonstration of the ViXL-3D. We're going to look at the viewpoint cloud color function, which is going to open up the viewer window and allow us to look at point cloud. In this case, what we're looking at is a color lookup table. This converts RGB to CMYK, so this is actually an RGB color cube we're looking at. It's a very simple object. We can move it around, we can rotate, pan, zoom, we can turn the points on and off. We can change the colors. Here we change the color of the bounding box. We can change the color of the axes. Any of the objects here can be independently controlled. This is the convex hull, so this is just the outline for the hull. In this case, it's just a cube. We can do a hull fill, so we can actually see what the colors. These are the colors from the colorizer. We're actually taking this from the RGB values that are in the Excel file. And so this, we've turned off all of the lighting sets. So this is the actual color of the lookup table. And so we can lock in axis, and we can turn on the ruler, and so we can see what the value range is for each of the axes. So we're locked on the x-axis. We can turn that off. So we're just looking at the points. We can change the axis. Here's the z-axis. Locked on the y-axis. We can turn that ruler off. We can change the origin of the axis. Now we're back to the bounding box. And then we can also go back to a free axis rotate here. So we can also change our material types. So we'll turn off the colorizer so we can actually see the colors of those materials. And you can create your own materials. There's a list of materials, surface types that come predefined, but you can create your own. This is a polished gold. Have here. Turn all those off, and we can come back and turn the colorizer back on. And then we can also open up multiple viewer windows, so we can see these side by side. So this allows us to compare data. And we can control these independently. We can really open up as many windows as we have memory available, depending on the complexity of the object that we're looking at. And again, we can change all of the settings are independent to each of the viewer windows, so we can make them anything we want. We can also export to video. We can export to a polygon file. It's a very straightforward demonstration, give you a feel for how the software works.